Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create an in-depth review about this VPN called Windscribe. Windscribe is like a secret shield for your computer and phone when you're online. It's a VPN which stands out for virtual private network. Think of it as a disguise hiding your location and what you are doing. This keep you safe on public Wi-Fi and help you navigate blocked websites. In this Windscribe VPN review, we will look at some of its cool features. Windscribe has some computer and phone app. You can use this to watch shows from different countries to keep your online activities private. Plus, with Windscribe, you can get unlimited data, so you don't have to worry about running out. Now, talking about the best features about this platform, it comes with a wide range of features. Windscribe isn't just any regular VPN. It has some really cool tools, some really cool features that can make it stand out from the crowd. So let's take a look at some of these things that make Windscribe unique. So one of these best things that make Windscribe unique is the block trackers. Block trackers together with a unblock geo restricted content and a basic VPN connection, and also save browsing history together with a stop leaking personal information. So all these features come together makes Windscribe VPN stand out compared to others. I'm talking about the pricing plan. They have a month plan, they have a year plan, and they have a build plan. So talking about this, you have about $9 to $10 per month, which is for a month plan. Then a year plan, which is between $5 to $5.75 to $10.75 per month. Also a build plan, which is between actually the specific amount for this plan, which is a build plan, is not revealed. So you can just get back to the customer service center to have a chart on how much this plan, which is build a plan, is going to cost. Now, talking about the pros and cons, it's good to understand the pros and cons of a particular VPN network before diving into it or make a payment subscription on each plan. So talking about the good side, it comes with a strong encryption, many server locations, and also has a built-in Ad Blocker together with a user-friendly app, and also comes with unlimited connection with strictly no log policy. And talking about the downside, it can be pricey, which means can be costly a little bit. Customer support can be slow and speed can be inconsistent, and for the best for torrenting. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this VPN network called Windscribe and how you think it can help you with your privacy on internet. Thanks.